she's loose. Yeah, no one should have to have a front end that loose. Okay. Look at that. So that ball was just kind of hanging out in there. As we can see, there's a dead end hole. As we can see, they tried welding it. Didn't work out. And I got a new one here. Right there. Unfortunately, it only goes in that far, so what we're gonna do is get it hot and blast a hole through it. Got a brand new pin here, as we can see there. She's a little loose. Can you even see? Install some bushings. So I'm gonna run this reamer through. I don't think you can pick this reamer up at your local hardware store, but I think any kind of sanding device on a pneumatic tool would kind of achieve the same thing. A little bit of grease. There she goes. There she is, Chief. Never know what to expect with front end projects. They could either go really good or not. Wouldn't lie about that. I don't know, I could practically do this in right in the middle of an apartment. Definitely didn't give myself a lot of room today. Let's see if that comes out. Got my new pin here. Oh my gosh. Must still not be quite lined up. Okay, well, I have a plan, I think. Oh, no. No need for the plan. Save that for next time. Oh. I'm getting old. Looks swell. Yeah, let's say she's tight. Good deal.